Is stress quietly wrecking your health? Many of us deal with stress daily, but we often overlook how it impacts our body. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden ways stress might be making you sick and how you can fix it. Stress isn't just a mental burden. Over time, it can lead to physical problems like high blood pressure, fatigue, weight gain, and even a weakened immune system. Yet many of us accept it as normal. Here's how stress harms your health. It triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, when elevated, causes inflammation, weakens immunity, and disrupts sleep. Long-term stress can lead to digestive issues, heart problems, and even anxiety disorders. But the good news? There are practical solutions. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, regular exercise, and maintaining a balanced diet can help manage cortisol levels. Prioritize rest and downtime to allow your body to recover from daily stress. Stress doesn't have to control your life. Small, consistent changes can have a profound impact on your physical and mental health. Recognize the signs of stress before it takes a toll on your health. With the right tools, you can reduce stress and feel better. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Share this video with friends and family who might be silently suffering from stress. Let's take control of our health together.